So we are now in interior cabin. As you see, it's number 8055. You have two beds. They can be put together or they can be split. Then you have another bunk bed, which is here, and then it's another one here right now above. Then you have, as you have in every room, you have the buffet, you have the bar. There is some nuts, some drinks. So this, then you have a teas, selection of some teas, you know, some nice teas. If you like it, you can drink it. There is a coffee as well, kettle, TV. Then they bring you every time, you know, the daily programs. And you have the, for charging, you have the normal, then another for 110 you have there, and then they have as well for USB key as well connection. So you can have here for charging. Those orange towels, they are for swimming pool. Now it's really cold weather in the Rotterdam, so I think that all outside things will be closed. So only the inside, you have there inside as well the jacuzzi I already have for you. And here is a bathroom with some equipment, you know. Here there is a drawers for storage something. Glasses, towels, many towels, plenty of towels. Shower, and you can hang it as well for if you need to dry something, because this is inside, you don't have a balcony, and it's good as every MSC Seaside or MSC Seaside, MSC Orchestra, MSC Preziosa, they are all the same. As well, again, air control lights, and you have as well lights control here behind the pillow. Safety box, drawers, plenty of them, plenty of places for your clothes, dresses, and then as well you can hang in stuff, so plenty of them, and you can as well store your luggage in there, so it's very nice. There is a map, and there you can put your card to get the electric, I don't know, like for TV, for light, and for everything, you know. So this is prices for the washing on the MSC Preziosa right now, and as you can see, the jacket, for example, its price €8. Washing and ironing as well, so you have everything.